Let's consider a terrifying possibility. In the infinite expanse of space, where 10 million years pass like a moment, our galaxy, the Milky Way, with its age of 14.5 billion years, could have long been saturated with traces of advanced alien civilizations. And yet, the universe, stretching out to a staggering diameter of 92 billion light-years, seems almost designed for life not only to emerge, but to flourish, spreading across billions of light-years. So, why this haunting silence and emptiness of space? Why, despite our advanced technologies and relentless searches, have we still not found any incontrovertible evidence of other life forms? Could we be the only intelligent life form in the cosmos? Or might there be some unfathomable reason why galactic neighbors remain beyond the reach of our perception? In 2013, thanks to observations from the Kepler Space Telescope, we discovered something incredible. Roughly 1 in 5 stars similar to our Sun has a rocky planet about the size of Earth, situated in the so-called habitable zone. This is the place where conditions are right for the existence of liquid water, a key ingredient of life as we know it. However, life in its broadest sense might include forms ranging from simple microbes to advanced civilizations capable of interstellar travel. In 2014, the Kepler project revealed the existence of 715 newly discovered planets, confirming that the universe is teeming with stars that have multiple planets and suggesting that Earth-like planets may be common, possibly numbering in the billions just in our galaxy. However, our knowledge of astrobiology, the science of life in the universe, is still in its early stages. The greatest challenge remains the distance to exoplanets, which makes directly studying them incredibly difficult. Additionally, even within our own solar system, we continue to discover new potential habitats for life. Earth has shown us that life can survive in extreme conditions, which gives us hope that similar forms of life could exist on Mars, Jupiter's icy moon Europa, as well as on Enceladus and Titan, moons of Saturn. The chances of the existence of intelligent life are estimated by the so-called Drake equation. It was proposed by Dr. Frank Drake in the 1960s. The main goal of the equation is not to precisely determine the number of civilizations existing in our galaxy. Instead, it aims to understand more accurately the mechanisms that influence the chances of such civilizations arising. Drake's reasoning was based on the Copernican principle, according to which Earth is not a particularly distinguished place in the universe, but merely a typical planet, subject to the same laws as other celestial bodies in space. Imagine the universe as an endless beach filled with sand, where each grain represents a star. Among these countless grains, some have their own planets, just as our Sun has Earth. The Drake equation is an attempt to count how many of these planets might have conditions for the emergence of life and even intelligent civilizations with whom we could make contact. It's a bit like looking for a message in a bottle on this vast beach. Drake used mathematics to estimate how many such message bottles, that is, technological civilizations, might be on our galactic beach. His equation takes into account various factors, from how often stars are born, through how many of them have planets, to how long such civilizations might survive. According to these estimates, there are therefore 250,000 advanced civilizations capable of physically visiting us. Even though the equation suggests that the cosmos should be teeming with intelligent beings, we face the so-called Fermi Paradox. Where is everybody? Enrico Fermi, a distinguished Italian theoretical physicist and Nobel Prize laureate of 1938, was the first to highlight the surprising contradiction concerning the search for extraterrestrial civilizations. In 1950, During a conversation with colleagues, Fermi asked this simple question: where is everybody? This question became the foundation of the famous Fermi Paradox, which challenges the optimistic predictions about the abundance of extraterrestrial life in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Despite Drake's high estimates, to date, we know of only one technological civilization, our own. It's as if we were on this vast beach full of potential treasures. But so far, we've found only one message in a bottle. Considering the vastness of the universe and the potential number of technological civilizations, Fermi wondered why we have not yet encountered any evidence of their existence, such as probes, spacecraft, or radio signals. His question highlights a significant contradiction between theoretical expectations and the lack of evidence for the presence of extraterrestrial civilizations. Attempts to solve this paradox focus on several key issues. The first suggests that our assumptions about the ubiquity of advanced life in the cosmos may be wrong, and that such life is much rarer than we assumed. Another theory points to possible imperfections in our methods of observation. Perhaps we simply have not yet discovered ways to detect these distant civilizations. Alternatively, it is possible that we are looking for the wrong signs or signals that would indicate the existence of these civilizations. The Fermi Paradox can also be considered from another perspective, suggesting that there may be many other reasons why we have not yet encountered evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. Perhaps these civilizations use completely different technologies, incomprehensible or undetectable to us, or they have consciously decided to avoid contact with younger, less developed civilizations like ours. One of the theories considered is the concept of the Great Silence, which posits that civilizations may lead to their own destruction before they manage to reach a technological level that allows for interstellar travel. The simplest and best way to resolve the Fermi Paradox would be to find evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. Indeed, since 1960, such searches have been conducted. Since humanity has not yet reached a level of technological development that allows for interstellar travel, at the current stage, we are limited to conducting observations from the surface of Earth or its orbit. These activities include, among others, the detection of radio signals or the search for exoplanets and analyzing their absorption spectrum. In the 1960s, the famous SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence project, was created to search for alien civilizations. This is an extensive, multi-year scientific project that was initiated by Frank Drake and later by Carl Sagan and Iosif Shklovsky. The goal of the project is to find contact with extraterrestrial civilizations by searching for artificially produced radio and light signals originating from space, which are not of human creation. What if, however, we never find evidence of the existence of aliens? The answer could be very simple. Perhaps they simply do not exist, and humanity indeed is the only civilization in the Milky Way, or even the entire universe. That seems rather unlikely, though. Believers in the existence of alien civilizations offer other arguments to solve the Fermi Paradox. 1. Aliens exist, but communication with them is impossible due to technological limitations or the vast space and distances in the cosmos. 2. Aliens exist, but generally civilizations exist for too short a time, and we appeared after them, or they will appear after us, adding an element of time in space. They have not yet responded to our signals, or we have not responded to their signals because we are listening in the wrong way. Or maybe they do not want to communicate with us because we have nothing to offer as a civilization. There is also one more theory, a conspiracy theory, that we have already made contact with aliens, but governments are hiding it. Thank you for watching our film on the Fermi Paradox. This cosmic mystery continues to intrigue and inspire further exploration. If you enjoyed this content, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with new videos that illuminate the extraordinary mysteries of the universe. Don't miss out on more fascinating discoveries and join our community of knowledge seekers. See you in the next videos.